Are you constantly battling shoulder pain or struggling with weak shoulders? Chances are your rotator cuff is trying to tell you something. In today's video, we're going to discuss what the rotator cuff actually is, why it's so important for your shoulder health, and 4 powerful exercises to build strength and resilience in your shoulders. Stop stretching your shoulders and let's bulletproof them together. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist, and we've helped thousands of people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, address the root cause, and get back to an active lifestyle. Rotator cuff tears are some of the most common things our clients are dealing with, and they're told that they need surgery. Trigger warning, this is not true. You do not need surgery for most rotator cuff tears. So let's dive into it. What actually is the rotator cuff? The rotator cuff is made up of 4 muscles that attach from your shoulder blade to your shoulder. They provide stability to the shoulder joint itself. Think of it like a support team, holding the ball of your shoulder joint in place and providing stability. When the rotator cuff is weak or out of balance, it can lead to shoulder pain, limited mobility, and even injuries like impingements or tears. But here's the good news. With the right exercises, you can strengthen those muscles and bulletproof the shoulders for the long haul. The rotator cuff doesn't just help you with sports or lifting overhead. It's essential for any movement that you do with your arms. Whether you're reaching overhead, bench pressing in the gym, or throwing a ball with your kids, the rotator cuff is always active in providing stability to the shoulder joint. Ignoring the rotator cuff can lead to compensation in other muscles, providing more wear and tear on the shoulder, or even lead you down to surgery in the future. This is why building long-term strength is key, and acting sooner rather than later is always best. Let's dive into these 4 exercises and we can show you how you can do that. The first exercise is spicier than it looks. It's called angels over cones. You're gonna lay face down on the ground and you're gonna grab some objects to lift your arms over. In the video, I'm using dumbbells, but you could use cones, water bottles, or anything that you have available at home. As you're laying down, you wanna make sure that you can relax your neck and upper trap. They're not a part of this movement. From there, you're going to lift your arms up and over 3 different objects. The higher you work up to your ears, the harder the motion is likely going to be. As you lift your arms up and over, take note if one side is moving easier than the other side. This could be a reason why you're having that shoulder pain and limitations. Make sure to move up and over the objects, going all the way up and all the way back down, and counting that as 1 rep. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 5 reps of this exercise, making sure that you lift your arms up into positions that are low in the pain scale, but also allow you to improve your mobility during the exercise. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise is engaging the back of the rotator cuff with a banded uppercut. You're gonna grab a band and you're gonna get into a half kneel position. With your elbows by your side and your palms up, you're gonna create tension by pulling the band apart. Next, while creating that tension, you're gonna lift your arms slowly up, then back down, repeating that motion as you're bringing your elbows to your sides. Complete 2 sets of 8 of this exercise, feeling the burn on the back of the shoulder blades as you're holding that tension throughout. The next exercise, we're also gonna use a band, and this exercise is called Banded Cheerleaders. This is going to light up your upper back and shoulder blades in a good way. To start, you're gonna have your arms straight out in front of you with your palms up. You're gonna pull the band apart, activating the back of your shoulder blades. Hold for a second or 2, then go back to the original and then do the opposite diagonal. All 3 directions equal 1 rep. Complete 5 reps of this exercise. Finally, we're heading over to the floor for the last exercise, banded bear taps, a closed chain stability exercise that will rock your world. Place a resistance band around your wrists and get into a bear position, stacking your hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. From there, you're gonna tap the hand into 3 different positions, creating tension on the shoulder that's down and also the shoulder that's moving into the tapping positions. All 3 directions equal 1 rep. You wanna complete 2 sets of 5 on both shoulders, taking note if one side feels stronger or more stable than the other. These are some of my favorite exercises to target the rotator cuff and also improve shoulder stability all in one. So many people with shoulder pain are given basic stretches or told just to relax or take some time off, but when they go to do that activity again, the shoulder pain comes back. It's likely due to the shoulder pain not being addressed by the root cause. If you try different things and you're tired of guessing, you've done physical therapy, chiropractic, basic banded exercises, and you're still having pain, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.